I was going to wrap these up, but I thought I would show this just a real quick tip before I put these in the freezer. These are all individual pieces of fondant that I'm going to be using on a wedding cake this weekend. And I went ahead and cut them out ahead of time, and I've stacked them just on a tray. There's 10 layers of these, so there's 600 of them, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so there's 300. And I'm going to use these all on a cake. I'm hoping that this is all that I'll need. And I've just stacked them up. I'm going to put another layer of wax paper. And I'm going to fold this over and wrap it in plastic wrap. And then I'll freeze them. And what happens is you can take them out of the freezer and let the condensation kind of form on the plastic wrap as they warm up. And then when you need them, they'll be ready to go. So as you're getting ready to start icing the cake or filling the cake or whatever, before you decorate it, just take these out, let them sit. When they get to room temperature, they'll still be soft, and they'll be ready to put on the cake. And then you will save yourself a lot of time on decorating day. Just make sure that it's really wrapped well. I put the extra piece of wax paper on top just so that this plastic wrap doesn't press into them and make them all wrinkly. But that's it, and that will save you an hour and a half, however long it takes to cut these out. And you can do this with any kind of fondant. You can do it with modeling chocolate. Gum paste will work, and you just have to make sure that you wrap it really airtight. But the freezer is a good place to keep these ahead of time. So leave me any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.